Visit record. To record the health record of a patient, search and select the patient using their name, email ID, KPID or phone number. Select the desired patient and click on Health Record and click on New Health Record. You can customize the health record page according to your preferences. If you do not use Family Health History for practice, click on Hide Family Health History to remove it from the health record page, and if you prefer to use it again, you can click on Show Family Health History to view it. Alert. You can use Alert to record any important information that the patient shares with the doctor or is diagnosed by the doctor. Click on Add to enter the description. You can choose the visibility of an alert information. Choosing Everyone will keep the information visible to all patient, staff and doctors. Selecting Doctors will keep the information visible to all the doctors, and choosing Only to Me will store the details as only visible to the doctor who saves it for any future reference. Click on Save to store the information. Allergy. You can use Allergy to record the allergy details of the patient. Click on Add to choose the allergen and enter a description of the allergy. Click on Save to store the information. Social history. The social history of the patient can be recorded here. Click on Add to choose the social history and enter a description of the social history. Click on Save to store the information. Family Health. It can be used to record the family health history of the patient and can be used to keep track of the patient history. Click on Add to choose the relationship. Click on Add to search and select the required ICD code. You can enter 3 characters similar to the required code, and a drop-down of the codes similar to the codes will be available for you to choose from. Select the ICD code and enter the diagnosis. Symptom. It can be used to record the symptoms of the patient. Click on Add to record a symptom. We use the ICD code here too. Search and select the code and enter a description of the symptom. 75Health gives you the option to use ICD codes to record medical information. ICD stands for International Classification of Diseases, which consists of a database of universally recognized medical codes provided by the World Health Organization (WHO). You can also choose the date from when the patient has had the symptom. Here you can either select the code or enter a description manually. Both details are not mandatory, but either one is required. Diagnosis. The diagnosis for the patient can be recorded here. Click on Add to search and select the ICD code and enter a description of the diagnosis. The date can also be modified here. Vital. The vital details of the patient can be recorded here. Click on Add to add vitals. To add a vital detail, click on Add and select the option for which the data should be recorded. To add weight, click on Weight and enter the recording and click on Unit to select the scale of measurement. To add height, click on Height and enter the recording and click on Unit to select the scale of measurement. Once the weight and height details are entered, the BMI, Body Mass Index, will automatically be generated. It will indicate as abnormal if the BMI calculated for the particular patient is worrying. Visit reason. The reason of the patient visit can be saved here. Click on Add to enter the visit reason and click on Save. Procedure. The procedure performed for the patient can be entered here. Click on Add to search and select the procedure code type. Here, 75Health gives you 3 types of universally recognized codes to choose from: ICD, International Classification of Diseases; CPT, Common Proficiency Test; and HCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System to choose from. Select the procedure code type and enter the description and click on Save to record the details. Prescription. The prescription for the patient can be recorded here. Click on Add to enter the medication. Here, data once entered will be available to you the next time to enter 3 characters of the same. Enter the strength and directions of use or SIG code and add the quantity by adding details of refills if necessary and click on Save to record the details. Test order. The test order for the patient can be recorded here. Click on Add to prepare a test order. Here we use the LOINC, Logical Observation Identifiers Name and Codes. You can enter 3 characters similar to the required code, and a drop-down of the codes similar to the codes will be available for you to choose from. Choose the required code. Enter a description followed by the result when complete and enter the curated range. Click on Save to record the details. If the results are abnormal, you will be informed by a slight color change in the recorded details. Doctor Note. A note, visit summary or advice of the doctor can be recorded here. Click on Add to enter a note. Enter the description and click on Save to record the details. Vaccine and immunization. The vaccine details of the patient can be entered here. Click on Add to record details. Select from the drop-down whether it is the taken date or reminder date and select the reminder date from the calendar and enter the vaccine CVX, code Veronica X. You can enter 3 characters similar to the required code, and a drop-down of the codes similar to the codes will be available for you to choose from. Choose the vaccine CVX and enter a description and click on Save to record the details. Attach file. All files related to the patient health record can be uploaded, saved and maintained here. Click on Add to attach a file and select the file from the desired location and upload it. And the file will be saved here. The file attachment feature will be available only when the visit ID is generated. Inpatient. The inpatient details of the patient can be added here. Click on Add to select the admission date from the calendar followed by the discharge date. Enter the discharge summary and click on Save to record the details. Complete health record. The health record can be completed using this key. It restricts the particular visit record from any further editing. Click on Complete. It will request for doctor password for security reasons. Enter the password and click on Save to record the details. You will be able to only view and print the visit details but not edit them. Print. Using Print, you can print a copy of the complete health record or any particulars of the same. Click on Health Record to print the complete record. Click on Prescription, Test Order and Vaccine to print details recorded in those fields alone. The print copy will consist of the doctor's signature field for the doctor to fulfill before the copies are given to the patients. Second or subsequent visit. To record the follow-up visit, you can select the desired patient followed by clicking on New Health Record. The details from the previous visit will be available. You can inquire with the patient about the previous visit and modify these details. Symptom. You can inquire with the patient about the previously recorded details and click on top of it to record his response. Click on the tick icon to cure the symptom. The symptom is removed from the visit record page. You can click on this icon to view a list that consists of the currently cured symptom and the previously cured symptoms. Diagnosis. You can inquire with the patient about the previously recorded diagnosis and click on top of it to record his or her response. Click on the tick icon to cure the diagnosis. The diagnosis is removed from the visit record page. You can click on this icon to view a list that consists of the currently cured diagnosis and the previously cured diagnosis. Prescription. The doctor can inquire with the patient about the previously prescribed drugs and whether he has completed using it and click on top of it to record his response. Click on the tick icon to end the drug. The medication is removed from the visit record page. You can click on this icon to view a list that consists of the currently ended medication and the previously ended prescriptions. You can add any new medication required here. Vaccine and immunization. The previously recorded vaccine details can be updated. You can click on the previously recorded details and update the reminder date as taken date and record the current date, and click on Save to complete updating of vaccine details. Doctor note. And note, visit summary or advice from the doctor for the follow-up visit can be recorded here. If the doctor prefers to use similar set of notes repeatedly, he can access it by clicking on this icon to view the list of the previously saved notes and select the preferred note from the current patient and click on Save to record the details.